Traveling with a baby can be tough. Uncertainty, interruptions to your schedule, and not to mention all of the extra stuff that you need to pack. In case you didn't know, my husband and I have a 6-month-old baby girl, Ruby, who just went on her first trip with us ever. So today I want to chat through 10 items that made traveling with her easier, and I would hope make traveling with your baby easier too. If you're gonna be making bottles on the go and you're a formula household like us, you're definitely gonna wanna get a formula dispensing container. This container allows you to pre-portion 3 9-ounce bottles in an easy container with a secure lid. It has a flip top so that you can make bottles on the go very quick. It's from Dr. Brown's and this one was only $7. We used it the entire time we were on our trip. This item I always have in stock in my diaper bag. It is bottle and pacifier wipes. This is a great and easy way to clean pacifiers or bottle parts that maybe fall on the ground or a nasty airplane seat. They're alcohol-free, fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, all natural, and just a great way on the go to keep your baby's items clean. It may seem obvious, but do not forget to pack your baby's pacifier clip. You do not want to have to be on the go, constantly picking up pacifiers and cleaning them off, especially in the nasty airport. So a pacifier clip is a must so that you can have your baby's binky attached to their person and you don't have to worry about constantly picking pacifiers up that fall on the ground. I want to talk a bit about what stroller we recommend for travel. Nick and I spent so much time researching what main stroller we wanted to use for Ruby, and this stroller I'm actually about to recommend was in the consideration set, and that's where this item comes in as the perfect setup. The Doona is a stroller that turns into a car seat, or is it a car seat that turns into a stroller? Either way, this item is perfect when it comes to a combination product for traveling with a baby. The Doona stroller, with a click of a button and a sweep of your legs, can turn from a stroller into a car seat. And this car seat works without a base. That means you can put it into any car and simply use the car's seat belt to click it into place and secure it and ensure that your baby is safe. This car seat is also FAA aircraft approved, which means that you can use it in the aircraft if that's how you choose to travel with your baby. I know that the item is pricey, but I promise you, for the convenience of only having to lug around one bulky item versus 2, makes it totally worth it. And to be honest, Ruby seemed to maybe like the Doona a bit more than the main stroller she uses at home. And if you're going somewhere hot, you're definitely gonna wanna get one of these. This is a stroller fan. It's got 3 flexible legs so that you can attach it to your stroller to keep the baby cool. It's got 3 fan speed settings and a cover on the blade so that the baby can't reach their fingers in there and get hurt. We actually used this in the hospital when I was giving birth, so it's definitely got more uses than the stroller, but for travel purposes, it's a great way to ensure that your baby stays cool. Hey, so if you're getting value out of this video, please hit the like button so that YouTube will suggest it to other travelers just like you. For changes or feeds or just those moments in the middle of the night where your baby might need your support or help, it's really nice to have a dimmable light. At home, we typically use a hatch that's also a noise machine, but for travel, we wanted something a little bit smaller. We found this LED light on Amazon. It's been perfect. It's chargeable by USB. It's touch, and it remembers what dim setting you put it on from previous, and it worked perfect as a night light for us so that we could check in on Ruby while she was sleeping. Another item that I packed was a simple, no frills baby monitor. I'm talking old school, audio only. That way, if we put Ruby down for a nap in the condo in a separate room, we were able to monitor her and hear her and make sure that she was fine. Again, it's no frills, super long range, 8-hour battery life. It did the job for what we needed it to do. This item right here is a packable play mat. It was perfect for giving Ruby a space to do her daily tummy time that wasn't the floor. It's 36 inches in diameter, so plenty of room for her to roll around on, and it was soft and cushiony. It's lightweight, it packs down into this cinch bag, and you can wash it for later. So this was perfect for her to have a space for playtime and a great addition to the bag. The first leg of our trip was actually in a hotel, so we didn't have a kitchen or a dishwasher to wash our baby's bottles, but these 3 items made it so easy to ensure that we had clean bottles. The first is this OXO baby bottle drying rack. It's very compact and small, as you can see, but when you open it up, it's actually a spot for you to dry your bottles, and it comes with a bottle brush. So very easy to clean and compact, and it fit perfect on the bathroom counter in our hotel room. Next is travel soap. So this is from Baby Organics. It's 3.38 ounces, so it is TSA Liquids Travel Approved, so you can just throw this in your liquids bag and you'd be set. It's foaming and it's specifically made for cleaning baby bottles. And then for sterilization. So we have these super convenient sterilization bags from Dr. Brown's. These are super easy and convenient to use. All you do is throw your baby bottle parts into the bag with a little bit of water, and you microwave them for 90 seconds and your bottles are sterile. And the great thing about these is you can use these bags up to 20 times each. Thank you so much for watching. All of the items that we talked about in today's video are linked in the description below. Please let us know in the comments though if there are any other baby essential travel items that we may have missed. See ya.